I'm right here, Bushwick, Brooklyn, 107 Schaefer Street, The Schaefer, brand new building, 16 luxury units listed by my good friends over at Revived Residential. Let's get inside and check out some of these units.
Welcome. Please come in.
Today, I'm going to take you inside 3 very different units at 3 different price points. We're going to start in the 600,000s and go all the way up past $1 million into the penthouse with a private rooftop and Manhattan skyline views. Let's check this building out. Let's go check out one of the duplex units, Unit GA. Watch this. Beautiful. Ready how this opens up? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at the living room. Mini splits, technology everywhere. Check this out. Tons of storage. You have floor to ceiling with these push outs. Dishwasher, stove with a dishwasher. Cabinet matched. So let's check out this floor first. Like I said, plenty of storage. Look at this bathroom. Look how gorgeous this is. Textured walls. Beautiful shaker doors. All the gorgeous hardware. So now this one is a ground floor unit into the cellar. Big closet. Look at this living room. Now here's where this becomes really special and makes you feel like you're in a home. Look at this staircase. Look at this entire extra living space. Office, bedroom, den, kids' playroom. Whatever you need, you have right here. Another bathroom, in-unit washer and dryer, and another entrance. How great is that? That's the guys, Revived, Michael Chindemi. This is his building. Mini splits everywhere. And that's gonna wrap up our duplex. Let's go check out some other units. Now, to show you the versatility of this building, I'm gonna show you the other duplex, GB. Look at the difference. Huge closet. Bedroom. Now back here, this is actually the parking. You can purchase parking spots as well with this building. Check out this unit and how it differs from the other one, just to show how many different options you really have in this building. Absolutely beautiful. Now look at the downstairs space, because again, this is another duplex. Look at this space. Massive, massive space down here. This is like a legitimate basement. This is bigger than some basements. Another bathroom, of course, half bath down here. Look at this cool part. Want a little office? Make a little nook right under here. Look at this. Little day bed. Little area for your pets. whatever. It's a whole extra space. And yet again, like the other one, separate entrance. Split level living. I mean, this is truly, you feel like you're in a house. I feel like I'm in the basement of a house. But meanwhile, I'm inside of a unit in a building. It's truly, truly unbelievable. Gorgeous. And of course, in-unit washer dryer, that was downstairs. Let's go check out the other units. All right, let's go check out the other floors. No walk-ups here. We got this beautiful elevator with a key fob for extra security. So even if somehow someone does get through that front door, access granted, they are not getting to you. So every floor has the same layouts, A, B, and C, except for penthouse and roof, obviously. So I'll show you penthouse and roof, but I figured let's go look at A, B, and C on the 5th floor. Beautiful, smooth elevator ride. Nice lighting, of course, in line with everything else in this building. Beautiful tile work. Very quick elevator, look at that, couple seconds. Here we are on the 5th floor. And then look, as you see, you have 5C, 5A, stairs, 5B. So let's check out 5A first. So this is going to be the A lines. Okay, 5A. So remember, this is the A line of the building. Every A has the same layout. Come in, full bath right here on the side. Look at these textured walls. I love them. I love the in-shower lighting. In-unit washer dryer, they all have that. Now, something to mention, every single unit does have in-unit washer dryer, and every single unit has the beautiful balcony. Tons of lighting, tons of natural light, as you can see. You'll have the mini splits. Huge floor-to-ceiling window. 5 floors up. Okay, so this again is A. Now I'm going to show you the B line, just directly across from A. B line opens up a little differently. Gorgeous bathroom here on the left. Bedroom right here. These have the terrace that has 2 entrances. See the Freedom Tower. I'll zoom in a little bit for you, but in person you can see it very well. Freedom Tower and Brooklyn Tower, all the buildings from right here. We got to put some batteries in those smoke alarms, no big deal. Of course, washer dryer. Gorgeous living room right here. And again, 2 entrances to the balcony. You even have really nice lighting outside. Nice big floor-to-ceiling windows. Now let's go check C out. C is next to A. This one you kind of walk into the kitchen. Living room right here. Balcony, of course. Look at this lighting. See that cool light bar? Lighting up here. I mean, they have like really nice outdoor lighting as well. For that nighttime entertainment out there, have a nice drink, have coffee in the morning. They're great balconies. Bathroom. Look at that. Look at the sunlight. Floor to ceiling windows. Freedom Towers right there. Again, I'll give you a little zoom. Right from your window. Every morning when you wake up, that's what you get to see. And that's it. Now, again, I've showed you both of the duplex units. I showed you the 3 lines, A, B, and C. Now we're gonna go check out the penthouse and the roof. All right, back in the elevator, something always fun to do is press penthouse. Let's go check out the penthouse. Again, smooth, quick, only 1 floor up. Favorite thing to see, PH.
Penthouse.
Penthouse, just to remind you again. Let's go check this out. Wow. Look at that. Go this way first. Full bath, as per usual. Beautiful bedroom. And look, we're another floor higher, so you got an even better view of the city. Gorgeous. See Midtown, that's the new Chase building. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is 1/2 of your penthouse. Look at that terrace. I mean, that's not a balcony. Now we're talking terrace. Look at the size of that. Great lighting again. Now let's go check out the other side of your penthouse. Of course, washer dryer. Look at this bedroom. Entrance onto your terrace from here too, of course. And an ensuite. And that is penthouse living in Bushwick, Brooklyn. Going up. Now we are going to lastly, access granted, we're going to check out the roof. Wait till you see this.
Roof.
Look at the size of this roof. Ready for the best part? The whole city. Again, the camera, it's hard to capture on the camera. Look at this beautiful wall. But you really got the whole city in front of you right here. And you see it so well up here. Look, Freedom Tower. Well, first let's start downtown Brooklyn. I actually have a listing right over there. Look at that Freedom Tower. My favorite building ever created in the whole world. Empire State Building. Hudson Yards, the Chase Building, Central Park South. I mean, it is all right here for you to see. Look how big this roof is. It goes around and around and around. And you see Brooklyn, of course. See the Verrazano Bridge back there. Really, just a great, great, great property. Of course, we're going to end up here on the roof. If you're looking for a 1 or 2 bedroom or a duplex, anything of the sort in Brooklyn, whether it's Bushwick specifically or even surrounding neighborhoods, you got to come check this one out. 107 Schaefer Street. Give me a call, Joseph Ranola. I'd love to come back and take you through it. 917-905-2541.